Lots of activity. See some pollen coming in. It's pretty loud. There might be a lot of bees in here. Let's go check it out. Oh, we got a good one. 3 or 4 frames of bees already. Check that out. Wow, that box is full. That first swarm 2025. One more frame that's drawn out. We're gonna check that one. We're gonna leave them alone. There's a queen right there. You see her? There she is. Swarm with a queen. In the deer stand. Close this one back up. So there's 5 frames of bees in there. They're very active. I'm gonna treat them. It's a good time to treat swarms for mites. We'll treat them there a couple days, and then we'll get that moved out of this yard, move it over to another yard further away, put them in a regular 5-frame box, give them some more comb and some honey, and they'll get going, and we'll bait this swarm trap up again, see if we can catch another one. But very cool. Go back and watch our videos, how to bait the swarm trap when the scout bees were checking it out. And then now you see the swarms in there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.